order. Sengivala mfethu ngicela ukuyigcizelela le. Njengoba siya kwi-Passover, abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayesurprise ngokubethelwa kaJesu. Kodwa uma ufunda iBhayibheli lithi Jesus was the lamb that was slain before the foundations of the world. Okusho ukuthi umhlaba ungakasibekelwa, there was a lamb that was put aside ukuthi wena kuzofika isikhathi la kufanele usacrificewe khona. What does it mean? It means even the greatest chaos of all time, the sacrifice of the lamb was not a surprise in God's life. Empilweni yakho right now ayikho into surprise uNkulunkulu ngento odlula kuyo. Why? Because the darkness and everything at the end of the day it creates chaos kodwa manje ebaseplanini kaNkulunkulu. Chapter 1 kaGenesis uthi the Holy Spirit hovered in this and it was creating a form out of formless situation. Right now, all I'm trying to say ukuthi God is creating a form out of formless situation. Le ntambo iphethe mfethu ufuna ukuyibulala ngayo. I just want to say ukuthi leyo chaos, God is able to create life out of lifeless situation. God is love.
God creating life out of lifeless situation.